Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to FTP using Filezilla. Before we get started, you need to know one of these options in order to connect. You need to know your domain name, the server name, or your IP address. To get started, go to File, Site Manager. This will allow you to add sites that you need to connect to. So I'm going to click New Site, and it's going to ask for some information. The host is where you will put either your domain name, server name, or IP address. The port is 21, and make sure that your protocol is FTP and the encryption needs to be plain FTP. Now you're going to change the logon type to normal and enter your username and password for the FTP account. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Connect. This is just going to tell you that it's going to ask for your password when you log in. And that's how you would connect to FTP using Filezilla.